Hi friends, welcome to my channel. If you still haven't subscribed, then please do subscribe and let's get started with this video. So it's been quite some time that I have uploaded part number 8 of this series, which is called my published letters and articles, where I show you the published letters and the articles that I have written in the newspaper. So this is part number 9 and this is going to be the last part because I feel really bored and also I'm not getting much views in this type of videos, so I'm going to stop it for now. And also I will have to collect more, then only I can film further. So this is going to be part number 9 and the last part of this series. So hope you enjoy this video. If you have any video request, leave it in the comments below and I will be back with a new video. So don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe to this channel. So let's get started with this video. So this is my second diary where I'm collecting all my letters and articles. I'm already done with one single diary which is filled with letters and articles, which I have already showed you in my past 8 parts of this letters and articles collection. So this is part number 9, as you all know. So let's start with the first article that's there. So this is a campus talk article here, and the first thing that I have written is that I have watched the trailer of the film called Tigers, which had Emraan Hashmi in it, and I totally loved the trailer. That is why I have written about it. And then I have written about the pictures, the wedding pictures of Deepika Padukone and Ranveer Singh here. Next, the third topic that I've written about is of mostly Saints No Offense video. So if you haven't checked it out, you must check it out. This is one of the best videos on YouTube, which I really liked. And next comes that I have watched the trailer of Pokemon Detective Pikachu. And then I have written about Sejal Kumar, who started her own clothing line called Stock by Love. Like, she did it in collaboration with Stock by Love. And then I wrote about Pooja. Next up, I have written about, like, this is a similar kind of campus talk article, and this is about Cheat India, another film by Emraan Hashmi, which was really good. And then I have written about the trailer of The Lion King. And then I have written about another song which I really liked. So it was from Zero film. It's called Mere Naam Tu. And then I have written about Tu Hi Re from 2.0, and I really liked the song, but the picturization was so bad. And next I have written about Bhuvan Bam's dubbing of Ranbir and Deepika's wedding. Let's move to the next one. This article here is the first portion is about the review. It's a review of the film 2.0, which I really liked. Overall the film was really very nice, but just the songs weren't that great to me. I felt like the songs weren't good. And next I have again written about the film called Simba. I have given it details of the film. And then I have written about Priyanka and Nick Jonas's marriage. Let's move to the next one. So here is another small topic, and here I have written about various things. First of all, I have written about one of the favorite videos of my that time, that is the Perfect Christmas Gift by Lily Singh, that is Superwoman on YouTube. Then I have written about Bhuvan Bam's new video Ghar Ke Kagaz, and that was a really good video. I loved watching it. And next is the song Aankh Mare. I really like that song, although it's not that type of song which I would have liked, but I don't know, I really like this song. And next I've written about Ishqbazi, which is one of my favorite songs of that time. Like, both Shah Rukh Khan and Salman Khan came together in this song, and the song, the dance, everything was so heart-winning. And then I have written about the album song, that is She Move It Like This by Badshah. And then I have written here about the first topic is the T2 Talks. T2 Talks is by Bhuvan Bam in BBK Vines. His channel is called BBK Vines, and in the first episode the guest was Shah Rukh Khan, and the episode was really nice. It was a promotional video for the film Zero. And then I have written that I have cooked yummy custard that week, and also I have put soya chunks in it. Like, it was an experimental cooking and I really liked it. Then I have written about Becky G. So I really like Becky G's songs. Mostly she sings in not only in English but also she sings in Spanish, and I really liked her Spanish songs like Sin Pijama, Mayores and Todo Cambio. And then I have written about Technical Guruji's YouTube video Great Time in London. And then I have written about a new YouTube channel which I have, it's not new but it's new to me, and the channel's name is Slay Point. Their videos are really good, like they roast people. And then is the next topic here. So it's like the year 2018's A to Z for me. So A is for Aankh Mare from Simba, then B is for Bawa Singh the dwarf, then C is for Chitti the robot, D is for the dance numbers, and one of my favorite in the year was Aao Kabhi Haveli Pe. Then E is for Ela Rai Thakur from the movie called Helicopter Ela. Then G is for Gold Eye for Ishan Khattar, and it goes on. And then comes this another topic. Next up is this list of films that I'm going to watch this year, and the films that I will be watching are Manikarnika, Gully Boy, Bharat, then there's Mangal Mission, Saho, Brahmastra Part 1. So all these are on my watch list this year. And although Manikarnika and Gully Boy has already released and I haven't watched them, but I will make sure to watch them this year. And next up comes these small snippets of writing that the Telegraph T2, the newspaper, have completed 12 long years. So I've congratulated them for that. Next up is a collection of films that I always loved. So there is Jab We Met, Namaste London, Om Shanti Om, Ajab Prem Ki Gajab Kahani, PK, Chennai Express, Bajrangi Bhaijaan, Nirja and Padmavat. So these are the few films which I really liked. And then I have written about Juhi Chawla, and she is definitely one of the cutest actress. Let's move on to the next. Okay, so this is very, very special for this year. So as I already told you that the Telegraph T2 newspaper have completed 12 long years. So we, some of the readers, went to their office to celebrate their birthday, and they were so sweet that they have printed the pictures in 23rd February's newspaper. So I think this is the 5th time that I'm on the newspaper, and I'm really thankful to the Telegraph T2 for that. It was such a fun moment, such a nice moment. If you cannot spot me, then let me show you. So this is me, and here is my name. Again, here I am. Next, let's continue with this topic. So here I've written about the IAF pilot Abhinandan Vartaman. I wanted to salute him for this indomitable courage. And next I have talked about the YouTube talk shows and chat shows and interviews, which is my favorite pastime. Whenever I'm free, I generally watch interviews on YouTube. That's my favorite pastime. And next I have written about Bhuvan Bam's new music video, which is called Bus Mein. I really like the song, although the picturization was too much, like it was so much edited, which I didn't like much. Then I have talked about Sejal completing 1 million, and next I have written about the cozy weather, like when I have written it was raining in Kolkata. And then I have written about Shades of Saho, which is the behind the scenes of Saho 2. Next up I have written here about a new channel that I discovered. It's called Ashikin. It's a comedy video channel. Then I have been watching quite a few Shotanyashi Bomkesh episodes on YouTube, and my favorite Bomkesh story is Pother Kata. Let me know if you have watched any of the Byomkesh series episodes, or if you have read any of Shobhitaneshi Byomkesh series stories. So let me know which one is your favorite. And next I have written about that week I did a bit of shopping because of the wedding that was coming up. And next I have written about Shahrazad Shroff, who was back on YouTube that week because she had TB and now she has completely recovered. So I've written about that I was very happy to see her back on YouTube. And next I have written about that if I get to meet Varun Sobti, my favorite actor, then what would I do? So I had told that I will be doing 3 things. First of all, I will ask him to be on my Instagram live, and then I will ask him to talk to my mom because she is also a fan of him. And lastly, I will ask him to watch his film 22 Yards, which has just released a week back. I will ask him to watch the film with me, although I have already met him once, courtesy Telegraph T2 only. So I'll just put a picture if you still haven't watched any of my previous videos. So I'll put a picture here so that you can see. And this is the last topic for this video. I have written about my favorite episode of Coffee with Karan, and it was definitely the second episode where Ranveer Singh and Akshay Kumar came. And the best part, the best dialogue of Ranveer Singh, which I loved, is that Akshay Kumar once told him, "Look, I don't like to see money getting wasted. If there is a wedding, I dance. It's a birthday, I dance. The baby's head is being shaved and the baby's crying, I will still dance." So that is the best part of the show, which I really liked. So hopefully you have liked this video. Don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe, and click on the bell icon beside it so that whenever I come up with a new video, you can watch the video then and there. Till then, take care and keep subscribed. I will be back with a new video. Bye.